Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be coming to you guys with an unboxing, the first unboxing I'm doing on my channel. So let me know if you guys enjoy these type of videos, and I'll be sure to unbox something else that I have worth unboxing. Also, let me know if you guys actually like the item after I unbox it, and be sure to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. Turn those post notification bells on. That covers everything. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing Julian Hakes Mojito heels, and these are like hot commodity right now, but I've been trying to get my hands on these shoes for years, you guys. These shoes came out years ago. Like, of course everybody's on it right now, but these are not new and they're very hard to find. Actually, I've been trying to get the silver ones, but I could never get my hands on the silver ones. If you wear like a size 40, like 38 and above, it's a lot easier for you to find. Also, I know that a lot of Instagram sellers are selling these and they are taxing you guys. Do not pay. Well, I mean, if you got it like that, you got it like that. Like, I'm not about to tell you how to spend your money. Okay, these shoes do not retail for $800, and that's just on. The mail packaging that this came in was not cute, nothing special for y'all to see. I got these from a website called I'll leave it in the description box below, but I did speak with the owner directly, and he told me that I actually bought the last pair that they have, like in any color, in a size 36. So if you guys did want to get these shoes from that website and you wear my size 36, then unfortunately they don't have anymore, and I don't believe they have a 37 either, because I was either going to get a 36 or 37. I've seen it online that you should like size up with these shoes, so I was really nervous because I'm a true size 6.5, so I could either do a 36 or 37. So I was like, I prefer to get them in a 37, but 37 is just like not happening. Like, I can't find no 37 anywhere. Okay, if you find a size 37, you in luck, and you didn't pay $800. Like, if you didn't get them off of somebody on Instagram, okay, you're in luck, because 37 ain't nowhere to be found. Enough rambling. So this is how the shoebox comes. It says Julian Hakes London, as you guys can see, and then it has the name of the shoe right here. This piece of hair is just like, what are you doing? Okay, ignore her. The name of the shoe right here, and as you can see, I got a size 36, and this is the Mojito heel in the color taupe. Also has it on this side as well. So name of the shoe, size, and color, of course. This is my first unboxing, y'all, so bear with me. I don't know like how detailed I'm supposed to be. And then you have this little tab right here, and you lift it up, okay, and then it falls back. And this is how the shoes are on the inside. It's super cute, you guys. I love how like these inserts perfectly shape the shoe, and they just sit in there like they're not gonna fall out or whatever. If the packaging doesn't look like this, the shoes probably aren't authentic, because I know that a lot of people are selling these, like the knockoff versions or dupes, whatever you want to call it. They aren't the authentic version. So this is like the first sign of authenticity. And then I don't know what this is, but that's also on the inside as well. This right here is the authenticity card. So it just comes like this. It says Julian Hakes London, again, just like the box. I'm so bad at this. Okay, hold up. I'll open this little flap. And you get like a little duster to clean the shoe. Everything is branded, which is super cute. You have this little card, certificate of authenticity, and the care instructions for the shoe. So that's what that looks like. I don't think I need to read all of this. Y'all not interested, right? Okay, let's see. If you that interested, you could probably get a screenshot or something. I don't know. It just has the website on the back. Okay guys, so you always want to hold on to stuff like this when you're purchasing designer items or whatever the case is, because you know, you never know if you want to resell it or if somebody trying to check you. Because although these shoes don't retail for $800, they still not cheap, okay? So make sure you hold on to that. But for the moment, y'all been waiting for it, okay? So they're pretty snug in this little foam thing, but this is what the shoe looks like. Here is what the heels look like. Okay, it even like correlates with my outfit, which is kind of fire. So this particular colorway I was a little hesitant about, just because I was so stuck on silver or like a metallic one. They have like a gunmetal type of color too, and I really wanted that, but these are still metallic, which I love. I know a lot of them have the metallic look, it's just the silver ones was like extra chrome. Okay, I really like these, and I feel like I could, because of the color, I could wear them with a lot of different things, so I'm happy that I actually got this color. I also like that the sole correlates with the sole, like the lining of the shoe correlates with the taupe color itself, because I know some of them, like it's like a contrasting color, so it'll be like a blue shoe with a pink sole, and I don't really like that. And even the silver ones, some of them are green and some of them are blue, I believe. So I don't really like that, because I don't know, something about that, it still won't peek through, so you can't wear certain things with it, if that makes sense. These heels are literally art, you guys. Like, if you're interested in these and you can find them. So I keep running out of storage and I'm losing sunlight, so we gotta hurry this up. But if you're interested in these and you can find them at a reasonable price, I would highly suggest getting you a pair. Last detail, the inside is quilted, as you guys can see, and it says Julian Hakes London right here, and it's also quilted at the bottom. These shoes are surprisingly very comfortable, but if you guys do wear a size larger than a 36.5, you will definitely need to go 37 or higher, because these shoes fit like perfect. Like if my foot was any bigger, it would not fit. Let's just go ahead and try the heels on so you guys can see what they look like on foot. And yeah, okay, so ignore my pedicure, you guys, and obviously I wouldn't wear these shoes with sweatpants, but for the sake of this video, we just had to get it done. This is what the shoes look like on foot. As you guys can see, it's a very exact fit, like I was telling you guys. So if your feet are any bigger, definitely go up, because you don't want your foot to be like completely coming off the back of the shoe because of how it's shaped. It's like no room for error, really. But this is what they look like. I'll also show you guys me walking in them in the next clip. My toes, please ignore. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe down below. If there's any questions I didn't cover for you guys, leave those down below as well, and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Let me know if you guys like the shoes. I love them. They're a work of art, so, and they're comfortable, so you can't beat it. Also, pretty exclusive shoes. So if you get your hands on a pair, it's like having a collector's item, which I like. But enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.